Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. This is going to be a bit of a more serious video. I'm going to be talking about Redbubble and I'm going to be talking about a problem that it has, and I'm hopefully going to be giving some solutions to that problem. So I wanted to mainly talk about what is going on at the moment with Redbubble and potentially why it's dying, and yeah, just all the problems that it has. If you take any trending keyword right now and you go to the tags, this is probably what you're going to see every single time. Just the keyword over and over and over, and then just a different number here. This is known as tag spamming, and I'm guessing this is going to be the same. It's literally exactly the same. Anytime a keyword gets picked up anywhere, whatever it might be, then you're going to have this problem. Tag spamming is just becoming a bigger and bigger problem. This doesn't actually look like it's a tag spammer, which is good, thank God. But yeah, so tag spamming. How are they doing this, first of all? What my personal theory is, they have some kind of hookup that automatically creates a design once it hits a certain keyword tool and once it starts trending. I'm not sure what that keyword tool is. It could be Google Keyword AdWord Planner. It could be Redbubble. They could be using the Redbubble sitemap, which I've talked about a few times on this channel. In my opinion, they're using the Redbubble sitemap. As soon as something is trending or becomes a popular search, they probably have some kind of tool that will automatically create the design, and then all it does is just upload the design to Redbubble, probably using a format, and then the description is just the keyword, and then the tags is just tag spamming over and over. And then I don't know what they're doing in the description. It doesn't really matter. I've said this a million times, description doesn't matter. And look at that, they don't even have a description and they're ranked number 1. So yeah, tag spamming is becoming a bigger and bigger issue. Another issue that is currently happening is Redbubble is basically banning people, and this has been also happening with TeePublic for a long time, okay? And yeah, people are just getting banned for what appears to be no reason whatsoever. I've had a lot of people message me about this, and you know, I have to take them at their word that they say they haven't done anything wrong. And I do believe most of them, maybe not all of them, but I believe most of them when they say they've done nothing wrong. I'm sure some of them maybe did some tag spamming or something, but in general, it really appears that people are just getting banned even if they're not really doing anything wrong. So, what can we do against this? What are the actual options? Well, the first option is to sell on another marketplace website, okay? And the good thing about this is that there are loads of different marketplace websites. So people think that like, oh, it's either Redbubble, Etsy, or Merch by Amazon, but it's actually not. There are loads. There's Zazzle, for example, which has, you basically, your design has not 100% as much chance, but like it has a pretty good chance of ranking on Google. If Google is ranking products, your product has just as much chance to rank on Google through Zazzle as it does through Redbubble. So in terms of that, the SEO is it's kind of the same. But yeah, this is one idea, is you could sell on another marketplace website, okay? However, in general, marketplace websites are kind of annoying. So Redbubble, Etsy, Merch by Amazon, okay, etc., etc. They're all marketplace websites, and they will all, first of all, they will take a large percentage of the profit. And the other thing is, you have to agree to their, I'm going to write TOS, you have to agree to their terms of service, okay? So whatever it says on their terms of service, TeePublic, you have to follow that, okay? And even if you follow that, if they think or they have some kind of system that picks up something and whatever it might be, even if you don't break a single rule, they can still just ban you because it's their website. They are the web admins, okay? It's them that click ban, or their algorithms that pick up rule breakers. And even if you're not breaking a rule, you still have to follow what they say. So even if you break no rule and they ban you, what are you going to do about it? You can appeal it, maybe they'll accept it, probably not. And now your print on demand journey is basically just over, just like that, because the website you're uploading to has suddenly banned you. So what can we do to combat this? We can pay $20 a month, okay, or I think it might actually be $29 a month to run a Shopify website, or we can pay less than that to have a WordPress website, okay? So WordPress is quite a lot cheaper. I'm pretty sure you can get it for like maybe $15, maybe $10 a month, okay? But the good thing about this is you're not selling other people's designs on your website, okay? So 100% of the designs on your website probably are going to be your designs, unless you're selling other people's designs, whatever, but most likely 100% of the designs are going to be your designs. That means 100% of the sales are also going to be your sales, right? And you also, the TOS, they're yours. They're your terms of service. You're not going to ban yourself, are you? You won't have any tag spammers. You won't have to deal with any of those problems that you're dealing with, okay? It is more complicated, okay? It's more work. It's much more work than just uploading to Redbubble, okay? It's more, oh my God, my mouse. My mouse is so bad. So it's more work. You're going to have to spend more time doing it. It's more setup, okay? But if you set up everything perfectly, and I would love to make videos about this, guys. So if you want to see videos about setting up a kind of a t-shirt kind of website, kind of like Crazy Dog t-shirts. I use this as an example all the time when I'm talking to my friends about ways to make money online. Crazy Dog t-shirts is a perfect example. They basically do what I've told people to do for years, which is set up a really, really large store that sells trending designs, and it just constantly changes. I can tell this is Shopify already. I would love to show people how to set these Shopify stores up. I have just made an entire Shopify store for the company I work for. The reason I know this is Shopify is because it says collections here. Collections are super easy to make, and you would honestly be so surprised what you can rank for, okay? These collections will be ranking for some insane keywords like funny women's t-shirts, or, you know, and look, these all of these designs are all keywords I've found a million times in my videos, okay? I find these, hold on, let me overthink this, I found that a million times, I found this a million times, I found this a million times. But the beautiful thing about this website is this, okay? There is no competition on the website. Once people are on the website, there is no competition. There's zero chance that they'll buy someone else's design. They're literally just able to buy your designs, and that's it. That's why this is such an amazing way to do it. It's more complicated, it's more work, but the rewards are much, much higher, okay? Especially with what's happening on Redbubble with this problem with tag spamming. I guarantee if I take the same keyword, okay, so I like coffee, and maybe like 3 people. Okay, I really hope this is going to work. This is a live test, guys. So let's see if this is a tag spammer. No, that's not a tag spammer. Oops. We'll check the top 3 and see if any of them are tag spammers. This is the only time that they're not going to be tag spammers, I bet. Not a tag spammer. And let me guess, not a tag spammer. One thing they might do is they might be careful with tag spams on certain designs that have like a lot of searches. But yeah, apparently these aren't tag spammers, so that live test sucked. But the rewards are much, much higher because you're not having to deal with the problems that are associated with selling on a different website, okay? Someone else's website, if they own the website, You have to follow their rules. Even if you follow their rules, like I did on Public, I followed every rule. I didn't break a single rule. I uploaded 3 designs and they banned me. See, they banned me. I did not break any rules. I had 3 designs on there. I couldn't believe it when that actually happened. People warned me it was going to happen, and yeah, I uploaded 3 designs. They were not copyright. There was no problem with any of them. I followed every rule and they banned me. So yeah, look at setting up your own websites, guys. It's going to be much more profitable in the long term. There's no competition. You'd be surprised what you can rank for. Let me know if you want some videos on how to set up a website like this. I would love to make a video like that, or maybe several videos like that. So yeah, let me know, and thanks for watching. I'll see you really, really soon with some more content. I hope this encourages people to do what's best for their print-on-demand company and make their own website. Peace out.